Biology is a natural science. Biology is a broad field of study that encompasses a wide range of topics related to living organisms. There are many different branches of biology, each of which focuses on specific areas of research and study. Here are some of the main branches of biology: Number 1 Anatomy, Number 2 Biochemistry, Number 3 Botany, Number 4 Cell Biology, Number 5 Ecology, Number 6 Evolutionary Biology, Number 7 Genetics, Number 8 Microbiology, Number 9 Molecular Biology, Number 10 Physiology, Number 11 Zoology. Anatomy is a branch of biology that studies the structure and organization of living organisms. In particular, human anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body, including the structure of individual organs, tissues, and cells. The primary goal of human anatomy is to understand the physical structure and organization of the human body in order to better understand its functions and how it works. Anatomy helps us to identify the location and relationships of different organs and tissues, to understand how they work together to carry out bodily functions, and to diagnose and treat diseases and injuries. Anatomy is also important for medical professionals, such as doctors, nurses, and other healthcare practitioners, as it provides the foundational knowledge necessary for the diagnosis and treatment of diseases and injuries. For example, a surgeon must have a deep understanding of human anatomy in order to perform surgeries and other procedures safely and effectively. Overall, anatomy plays a crucial role in our understanding of the human body and its functions, as well as in the development of medical treatments and therapies. Biochemistry is the study of the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms, including humans. It is a branch of biology that focuses on the molecular basis of life and the chemical reactions that occur in living systems. In the human body, biochemistry plays a critical role in maintaining the normal functions of cells, tissues, and organs. It helps to explain the chemical reactions that take place within the body, such as the breakdown of nutrients to produce energy and the synthesis of complex molecules, like proteins and DNA. Biochemistry also provides insights into the molecular basis of human diseases, including genetic disorders, metabolic disorders, and infectious diseases. By understanding the underlying biochemical mechanisms of these diseases, scientists and medical professionals can develop new treatments and therapies that target specific pathways and molecules. Biochemistry also has many practical applications in medicine, such as in the development of new drugs and diagnostic tests. For example, biochemistry techniques are used. Botany is the scientific study of plants, including their structure, growth, reproduction, metabolism, and classification. It is a branch of biology that focuses on the living organisms that make up much of the Earth's surface. Botany plays a crucial role in human society and has many practical applications in areas such as agriculture, medicine, and conservation. Here are some examples of the ways in which botany is important for the human body: food production. Botany is essential for the production of crops and the development of new agricultural technologies. By understanding the physiology and growth patterns of plants, botanists can develop new crop varieties that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and environmental stress. Medicinal plants. Many plants have medicinal properties and are used to treat a wide range of human illnesses and disorders. Botanists study the chemical and physiological properties of these plants, and work to develop new treatments and therapies based on their natural properties. Environmental conservation. Botany is important for the conservation. Cell biology, also known as cellular biology, is the study of the structure, function, and behavior of cells, which are the basic unit of life. It is a branch of biology that focuses on the microscopic structures and processes that occur within cells, including their interactions with their environment and with other cells. In the human body, cell biology is crucial for understanding the functions of all tissues and organs, and the underlying mechanisms of diseases and disorders. Here are some examples of the ways in which cell biology is important for the human body: development and growth. Cells are responsible for the growth and development of all tissues and organs in the body. By studying the mechanisms that regulate cell division, differentiation, and migration, cell biologists can gain insights into how the body develops and grows. Disease and disorder. Many diseases and disorders are caused by malfunctions in the behavior of cells, such as cancer, autoimmune diseases, and genetic disorders. By understanding the molecular and cellular mechanisms underlying these diseases. Ecology is the study of the relationships between living organisms and their environment, including other living organisms, the physical and chemical environment, and the interactions between them. It is a branch of biology that seeks to understand the distribution, abundance, and dynamics of organisms, and the processes that shape and maintain ecosystems. Ecology plays a critical role in human society, as it helps us to understand the impact of human activities on the environment and how we can manage our resources sustainably. Here are some examples of the ways in which ecology is important for the human body, health and well-being. The environment has a direct impact on human health and well-being, as we rely on the resources and services provided by the natural world, such as clean air and water, food, and medicine. By understanding the ecological processes that support these resources and services, we can develop strategies for managing them sustainably and ensuring their availability for future generations. Agriculture and food security. Ecology is important for the production of food, as it Evolutionary biology is the study of how species and populations of living organisms change over time through the process of evolution. It is a branch of biology that seeks to understand the patterns and mechanisms of evolution, including the origin of new species, the diversification of life, and the adaptations that allow organisms to survive and reproduce in their environment. Evolutionary biology is important for understanding the human body in a number of ways. Human origins. Evolutionary biology helps us understand the origins of human species and the development of our unique features, such as our large brains, bipedal locomotion, and language ability. By studying human evolution, we can gain insights into the processes that have shaped the human body and its physiological, anatomical, and behavioral characteristics. Health and disease. Evolutionary biology can help us understand the causes and mechanisms of human diseases and disorders. By studying the genetic and environmental factors that influence human health, and how they have evolved over time, we can develop new strategies for. Genetics is the study of genes, the heredity of traits, and the variation and inheritance of those traits. It is a branch of biology that seeks to understand the molecular and cellular mechanisms that underlie inheritance and variation in living organisms. Genetics is important for understanding the human body in a number of ways. Inheritance and disease. Genetics is crucial for understanding the inheritance of traits and the genetic basis of diseases. By studying the molecular and cellular mechanisms of inheritance, we can gain insights into the causes and mechanisms of inherited diseases, such as cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and Huntington's disease, and develop new strategies for diagnosing, treating, and preventing these diseases. Personalized medicine. Genetics is important for the development of personalized medicine, which involves tailoring medical treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup. By understanding the genetic factors that influence an individual's response to drugs, we can develop more effective and personalized treatments for a range of diseases. Evolution. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms, which are microscopic living organisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. It is a broad field of biology that encompasses a range of disciplines, including molecular biology, immunology, and biochemistry, and has many applications in human health and medicine. Microbiology is important for understanding the human body in a number of ways. Disease. Microbiology is crucial for understanding the causes and mechanisms of infectious diseases, such as pneumonia, tuberculosis, and COVID-19. By studying the biology and genetics of microorganisms, we can develop new strategies for diagnosing, treating, and preventing these diseases. Immune system. Microbiology is important for understanding the immune system and how it responds to infectious agents. By studying the interactions between microorganisms and the immune system, we can develop new strategies for boosting immune function and treating immunological disorders. Biotechnology. Molecular biology is the study of the molecular basis of biological activity, including the structure and function of biomolecules such as DNA, RNA, and proteins, and the ways in which these molecules interact to regulate cellular function. It is a rapidly advancing field that has had a major impact on our understanding of the human body and its molecular mechanisms. Molecular biology is important for understanding the human body in a number of ways. Genetics and disease. Molecular biology is crucial for understanding the genetic basis of disease. By studying the molecular and cellular mechanisms of gene expression and regulation, we can gain insights into the causes and mechanisms of genetic disorders, such as cancer, cystic fibrosis, and Huntington's disease. Protein function. Molecular biology is important for understanding the structure and function of proteins, which are essential for a wide range of biological processes in the human body. By studying the molecular interactions between proteins and other biomolecules, we can gain insights into the mechanism. Physiology is the study of how living organisms function at the level of cells, tissues, organs, and systems. It is a broad field of biology that encompasses a range of disciplines, including biochemistry, neuroscience, and genetics, and has many applications in human health and medicine. Physiology is important for understanding the human body in a number of ways. Organ systems. Physiology is crucial for understanding the functions of the major organ systems in the human body, such as the cardiovascular, respiratory, and nervous systems. By studying the physiology of these systems, we can gain insights into the mechanisms that regulate their function and develop new strategies for diagnosing and treating diseases that affect them. Cellular metabolism. Physiology is important for understanding the metabolic processes that occur within individual cells, including the breakdown and synthesis of biomolecules such as proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. By studying the regulation of these processes, we can gain insights into the mechanisms that underlie cellular. Zoology is the scientific study of animals, including their behavior, physiology, genetics, and evolution. While zoology includes the study of all animals, it has important applications in human health and medicine. Zoology is important for understanding the human body in a number of ways. Comparative anatomy. Zoology is crucial for understanding the anatomical similarities and differences between different animal species, including humans. By studying comparative anatomy, we can gain insights into the evolutionary history of the human body and the functions of different organs and systems. Animal models. Zoology is important for the development of animal models for human disease. By studying the physiology and behavior of animals, we can develop new models for understanding human disease and testing new treatments and therapies. Zoonotic diseases. Zoology is important for understanding zoonotic diseases, which are diseases that can be transmitted from animals to humans. By studying the biology and ecology of different animal species, we can gain insights into the mechanisms that